Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 22nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar CAD, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, the US dollar CAD, I mean, the dollar is kind of in a pretty important area right now because the dollar index could now be going down and continuing the downtrend. The US dollar CAD is also in a downtrend on the very high time frames, like the weekly and the monthly. So, what does that tell me? Even though the daily is technically still up, we may actually just keep on drifting down. There's been some really nice one, two, three-way pullbacks, one, two, three-way pullbacks over the last couple of days. I would actually like to see this go up and take out structure. Then I would like to see another three-way pullback in order to get short again, especially looking at the US dollar index. So I think even though the daily trend is technically up, I think that we need to follow the weekly and the monthly, which the weekly and the monthly is down, and the dollar index itself is also down. So I think we potentially should look for three-way pullbacks to go short, hopefully for the continuation of those very high time frame downtrends. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.